Magandang araw, mga kalagalag. Andito na naman po tayo, ang inyong lagalagnaguro, upang pag-aralan ng isang topic. So, ang topic po natin ngayon ay solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So, nagawa na po natin yung ilang method, pero sa araw na to, gagamitin po natin ay yung quadratic formula. Okay, so, ayun po. So, our topic is solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Pero, ano po muna yung quadratic formula? So, ito po yung quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is equal to x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where a, b, and c are constants and a is not equal to 0 while x is unknown. Okay? So, about the quadratic formula. So, bakit po tayo may plus or minus? So, ang ibig sabihin po ng plus or minus, yung possible answers natin ay dalawa. So, yung isa, yung negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and the other one is negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, yung isa, i-add mo, then yung isa, isusubtract mo po. Okay, so plus minus. Okay, so what is the standard form of quadratic equation? So, ito po yung quadratic equation. So, ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x squared. So, siya po yung number sa tabi ng x squared. While yung b, nandun po siya sa tabi ng x or coefficient of x. Okay, while c is your constant. So, isa po sa paraan para madali po nating ma-identify yung a, b, and c is i-rewrite lahat ng ating equation sa ganitong form. So, minsan po kasi nirarumble, hindi magkakasunod. So, para madali nyo pong ma-identify, ay i-arrange nyo po sa ganitong paraan. And madali din po nyo malalaman kung ano yung A. Kasi since this is a quadratic equation, syempre hanapin nyo yung x squared or yung may degree na 2. So, okay? So, kung wala po yung degree na 2, okay? Pero hindi pwede po kasi you are not solving a quadratic equation kung A nyo is equal to 0. So, it will never be that your A is equal to 0 kasi hindi siya quadratic equation. Remember, nung nag-discuss po tayo, ano yung different forms of quadratic equation? Tama, kung naalala nyo po. Okay, you can review that sa mga previous videos ko po. Okay, so ax squared plus bx plus c, yan po yung tatandaan nating standard form ng equation. So later on, makikita nyo po kung paano natin yan magagawin sa mga examples. Okay, so yun, magsusolve po tayo ng ng tatlong sample problems. Okay, so ito po yun. So solve po natin. So, okay, so yan po. X squared, this is x squared plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. First, ang i-identify po natin yung value ng A, B, and C. So, saka tayo mag-substitute. So, your A here is equal to, ano yung nakalagay dyan? 1. Tama po. So, your B is yung katabi ng X po is equal to 10. Naalala ko po nung high school ako, ginagamit po ang quadratic equation kasi kung ano po yung kung ano yung formulang this is one part of our second year high school life na gagamitin mo lang to noon, natatandaan ko, kapag hindi mo na ma-factor out, right? Yung hindi mo na alam kung paano mo i-factor, hindi siya perfect square, hindi siya, yung mga ganun. Alala ko, yun po ang natatandaan ko. Of course, later on, we will verify yung sagot natin dito if nag-a-apply siya sa, yun po ang natatandaan ko na na ginagamitan ng quadratic formula. Kapag hirap ka na pong ma-identify kung ano yung ano yung factors. So, gamitin mo na ng quadratic formula. Hindi mo ma-factor out ng trial and error. Mag-quadratic formula ka na. Malalaman mo yung sagot. So, okay? So, di ba may factoring tayo ng perfect square, ng trinomial. So, yung trial and error natin, pwede nyo pong gawin yun. Pag hindi nyo na talaga maisip kung ano yung factors, quadratic equation ka magla-last resort. Okay, so your C is positive 21 po. So, ayun. Ano yung equation natin? Our equation is negative B, tama po, plus minus square root of B squared, okay, minus 4AC. So, you just need to memorize this or you get a code over 2A. Okay. Okay, we will be discussing more concepts about quadratic equation. So, may mga iba pang concepts dito. Pero for now, our lesson is just use the quadratic equation in extracting the roots. Okay? So, let's now, okay, so ngayon, substitute po natin. So, what is negative? So, what is B? It's 10. Okay, substituting lang po ito. Plus, minus, so square root of, ano yung B natin? B squared, that is 10. Alright, substitute nyo lang po. Then you square, minus 4, A is 1, your C is 21. Okay, quantity lang, over 2A po. Okay po. So, move lang ko lang ng konti. So, masyado po malaking magsulat. So, 2A. So, then you process it. You perform every operation. So, plus, minus. So, 10 squared is 100. 4 times 1 times 21 is 84. So, minus 84 po yan. Okay, so hindi ko pala na-substitute yung baba. So, that is 2 times 1. So, over 2 lang po yan. Okay, so lagay ko lang po at or liitan ko. Para nakikita nyo pa rin po yung kabuuan. Okay, so 10. Negative 10. So, plus minus. That is square root of 16. Tama po. Over 2. Okay. So, ayun. So, that is negative 10. Square root of 16 is 4. So, dun muna tayo sa plus. 4 over 2. Then, yung isa po ay negative 10 minus 4. Diba? Plus minus nga po kasi. Over 2. Okay? So, tapos po, this is negative 6. Perform nyo lang yung operation. Over 2. And this is negative 14. Over 2. Okay? Tama po ba? Then, this is negative 3 and negative 7. So, these are the roots of your equation. So, how will you know it's correct? It's correct. So, that is your x is equal to negative 3. Your x is equal to x, yung isa mong x is equal to negative 3 po. And the other one is, okay, and the other one is negative 7, right? Okay, so pag tinranspose mo yan, equate mo lang po sa 0. So, it will become x plus 3x plus 7, right? So, machi-check mo po kung tama ka. By multiplying that binomial. Okay, so pag minultiply mo po yan, that is x squared. Product niyan. Diba? Yung technique na tinuro natin sa inyo. Product niyan. FOIL method. Then, product ng last term, 21. So, we are correct. Okay? So, nakuha po. So, x squared plus 10x. Medyo mahaba lang po ito, pero siya po yung pag wala ka na pong mapuntahan, ay gagamitin mo na si quadratic equation. Okay, so yun po. Kung nakita niyo po yung process, ganun po mag-solve ng extracting roots using the quadratic formula or the quadratic equation. So, our second equation, let's identify what is A. Your A here is 1. If you notice, wala po tayong B. So, pag wala po kayong makitang X, that is, your B is 0. And pag may C po, syempre constant, that is, you include the sign po, that is negative 9. Okay, so ayan po yung negative 9. So, I will no longer write the equation, but substitute everything na lang po. So, 0, dahil 0 yung B mo, plus minus, square root of 0 minus 4 times 1 times negative 9. Okay, kuha po. Kuha niyo po yun. Over 2 times 1. Okay, so then, square root of, that is 0. So, square root of 36, positive. Negative 4 times negative 9 times 1 is 36 over 2. Okay? So, since may positive, negative po tayo dyan, right? So, ano pong sagot? So, this is positive, negative. Square root of 36 is 6 divided by 2. So, your answer is dalawa po. Positive 6 divided by 2 is positive 3. And positive, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. So, pag tinranspose nyo po yan sa x is equal to, that is sum and difference of square. It will become x plus 3, x minus 3. This is checking na po, if we are correct. Equate nyo lang po to sa 0. This is positive 3. X is equal to positive 3. Lipat mo sa kabila, it will become x minus 3. Then the other one will become plus 3. So, FOIL method ulit. X squared. First term. Outer terms, negative 3x. Inner terms, positive 3x. Then last term is minus 9. Oh, sorry. Bakit x ang ginamit ko? Sorry po. This is P. Okay, P po yan. Dahil P po ang ano natin. Okay. Okay, so, ayan. Then, this one, cancel lang po. So, tama po tayo sa factors. Okay? Kuha po. So, medyo, sabi ko nga, long method po. Pero, ganun po talaga. Kailangan nyo pong mahaba konti. Okay? So, ayun, we have, ano po yan? Lakihan natin ng konti. So, ano po yan? 8x squared. So, identify po natin yung A. So, ano po yung A natin? A is equal to 8. Tama po, 8. Okay. Sa mga links ko po sa description box, makakakita po kayo ng mga links. Pwede po kayong maghanap ng mga problems. Okay. Nandun po. May mga examples. Pwede nyo pong i-internet. So, your B is, again, wala po kayong B, 0. Okay. And your C is, A lang naman po ang bawal maging 0. Okay. So, and your C is, ano mo muna po pala to, okay? Ita-transpose mo muna. Sabi ko nga, gagawin nyo laging standard form. So, this is 8x squared minus 14 plus 11. Okay? Equals 0. Right? So, this is 8x squared minus 3. So, negative 3 po yung C nyo. So, again, let's substitute. Negative B, so 0 yun. So, plus minus B squared is 0. Squared, 0 yan. Minus 4. A is 8. C is negative 3. Okay. So, over 2 times A, 2A, 2 times A is what po? 2 times A is 8. Okay. So, tama po ba? Okay, so 0, doon na tayo sa loob po. Square root of 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 8 equals 32 times 3. So, that is 96 over 16. So, easy po kayo ng perfect square sa loob ng 96. So, try po natin 16. So, that is ilan po? Square root of, may plus minus po dyan Dalawa po yan sagot eh. So, that is 16 times 6. Okay, over 2A. Tama naman, di ba? 2A, so 16. So, this is over 16. Hindi po kayong magka-cancel. Nasa loob yan So, plus, minus. So, this is, square root of 16 is, simulan natin sa 4. Over square root of 6. Positive rather. So, 16. Then, yung isa, negative 4. Square root of 6. Positive over 16. Okay po. So, let's simplify. So, 4 and 16, may common term po yan, 4. So, yung positive po, i-lowest term natin. That is square root of 6 over 4, positive. And, ano po yung isa? negative square root of 6 over 4. So, yan yung po yung roots. Okay? So, nakuha po. Yan po yung quadratic. These are quadratic equation. Then, we are extracting the roots using the quadratic formula. Okay po? So, kung may katanungan po kayo, wag po kayo mahiyang magtanong. Pwede nyo po akong sulat, pwede nyo pong sabihin sa comment section or meron din po akong Facebook page na lagalagnaguro. You can take a picture of your problem, then we forward it to me para po masiresolbahan natin, and I will create a special video for you para po dun sa problem nyo. Okay? So, yun po. So, here are our references. Sabi ko nga, pwede nyo po yung buksan or pwede nyo pong puntahan sa description box dahil ilalagay ko po. Then, pwede nyo pong mag-share kayo ng mga, andyan po yung using factoring, andyan po para po sa quadratic equation or quadratic formula. Okay? So, and that's it. So, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para po updated kayo sa aking mga videos. So, this is a picture taken in Rizal. So, nasa summit po yan, overlooking Rizal. So, thank you. Bye-bye.